Hello again, y'all. Adam Diaz over at Russ Darrow, Nissan, Milwaukee. Truck Appreciation Week has arrived. So it looks like we gotta do some special stuff for those truckers out there. You know, they're bringing us our materials, bringing us our accessories. They're even bringing us our cars. Every time somebody comes and loads those cars off that truck, we go around them and we make sure that everything's good and they're perfect. So what I'm gonna do for you guys, anybody that's a truck driver, you're gonna get free stuff from us. So I'm gonna give you a free multi-point inspection if you buy a truck from us, a Frontier, a Titan, or an Armada. Also, I'm gonna give you $5,000 to $6,000 off on MSRP. That's crazy. While you're getting your multi-point inspection, you might as well get a free oil change, man. I'm giving it all away. So if you're out there, you're putting yourself in danger, man, all those hours on the road, bringing us all of our stuff, everything that we need, our tires, our cars, our parts, everything, man. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Be safe out on those roads, man. And if you see a trucker, man, tell them AD said hi.